Before we move on, I just want to quickly go over again what we've covered in this product selection chapter. I started off by making the point that we've now come to the point where we really need to get to the nitty-gritty of our product selection. And I take you through the process of how to create a long list of potential products. And then Sergey and I have walked you through real examples looking at Amazon.com and showing you how we interpret listings and how we make judgments about which are good products and which are not products. I then dived more deeply into how you evaluate listings so that you can understand how competitive they are and get a real feel from a very granular level on about what the products are, what they have to offer, and therefore you get a very detailed understanding of whether they're the right sort of products for you to sell. It also gives you a good understanding of how competitive these listings are, and also gives you a very good first stage teaching on how you actually put a listing together, and therefore how later on when you do your own listings, how you can do them really well. At that point, I introduced you to my Amazon FBA scorecard. We then took a slight diversion, but just to reinforce the importance of the bestseller rankings and reviews, what the numbers mean and how you should interpret them. And then I took you through how to use the Amazon FBA scorecard right at the end of this chapter so that you can do it yourself, you can evaluate listings yourself, and you can build a little library of information about products and services that you want to, offer on Amazon FBA, but you have a very granular and detailed understanding of what you have to do. So I hope that was a helpful wrap up. It's a really detailed chapter. There's an awful lot in it, but it's the nitty gritty of how to actually select products on Amazon. And hopefully you'll find that extremely helpful when you come to do it yourself.